In the next update, the top court bench comprising Justices P.S. Narasimha and Jo Malya Bagchi has issued notice on a public interest litigation filed by the NGO Bistro Destino Foundation seeking a fair and transparent system for grading higher education institutions by the National Assessment and Accreditation Council, that is NAC. The plea raises serious concerns over the lack of transparency in NAC's assessment process, citing a March 2023 audit by the General Administration and Governance, which highlighted major discrepancies. It also points to the resignation of former NAC chairman Bhushan Patwardhan, who stepped down in March 2023 after expressing concerns that certain universities were allegedly using unfair practices to secure questionable grades and that manipulations were happening at various stages such as ICT, data validation and verification, that is DVC, and peer team visits. The petition explains the grading process in detail, where institutions submit an annual quality assurance report and institutional information for quality assessment, along with a self-study report outlining their strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and challenges. The data is validated through the DVV process outsourced to external agencies, followed by a peer team visit. The final grade is determined based on 70% weightage from the DVV process and 30% from the peer team's evaluation, with the NAC Executive Council giving the final approval. Adding to the controversy, a CBI probe was initiated on 1st February this year against NAC officials for allegedly taking bribes to award better grades and for arbitrarily lowering grades without giving institutions a fair hearing. The petitioner here has sought multiple directions from the court, including establishing a transparent grading process, setting up a committee to review the assessment made in the past 5 years, quashing grades that were awarded without proper hearings, reassessing grades given by assessors who have since been removed, and granting any other reliefs that the court may deem fit.